Welcome to another Lexington 1 technology tutorial. Today we're covering iPad basics. The specific focus of this video is going to be multitasking gestures. So let's get started. Start by going to settings and let's make sure multitasking gestures are turned on. Under the General tab, you'll have to scroll down, and then I'm going to zoom in here real quick so you can see this a little better. But here is the multitasking gestures section right here. Okay, and you need to make sure that it's on. Alright, and they also give you a couple reminder hints here. But once you've done that, once it's on here, let's look at some of these gestures and how you can use them. Okay, first off, we all know that your single finger runs a lot of the iPad. We use that to swipe. Okay, we use that to open an app. We can use two fingers to pinch, to change the size of something we're looking at. To zoom in, we pinch out. To zoom out, we pinch in. Even in apps like Keynote, you can, in some cases, you can turn objects, and if you notice just above my index finger, you can see a degree there, so it even tells you when you get it right there. Alright, but there are some other gestures with multiple fingers that will really help you navigate the iPad quickly and smoothly and efficiently. So while we're in an app, let's first look at a four-finger swipe. You may remember earlier from another video that we used the four-finger swipe to expose the multitasking bar. Then we can use a single finger to swipe across this. Remember, the multitasking bar is just a place to quickly go to apps that are already open. A four-finger slide down will close the multitasking bar. Up, down. Alright? If you're within an app, you can also use a four-finger swipe, left or right, to move between open apps. So if I do a four-finger swipe to the left, I go to my camera roll. There's back to settings where we started. There's a contact page. So you can see four-finger swipe left or right lets you just move between open applications on your device. The last one I want to show you is one I really like, and it's the five-finger pinch. You can pinch to close. Alright, that takes you, anytime you're within an app, you can close that app quickly and go back to the home screen. Now, let's think about this in terms of classroom management. If I'm a teacher and I want to make sure my students are on task, I can do it myself, or I can ask them to do a four-finger swipe up, and I can see exactly what apps they have open. If you have a problem, you could ask a child to close all of the apps, and then only have open the apps that you want them to have open. Alright? Another way to do that, say they were in the middle of taking notes, but you think they might have been doing something else, you can just walk up and do a four-finger swipe to the right, and that will, or actually to the left, and that will show you the app they've had open most recently. So those are a couple hints there for classroom management with the iPad. So remember, five-finger pinch gets us back to the home screen. Four fingers up opens up the multitasking bar. If we're within an app, four fingers left and right will move between apps. So those are some of the main gestures that we're going to learn today, but I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you use these gestures to make your navigation on your iPad more effective and more efficient. Thanks.